Okay, so tons of sirens and ridiculous amounts of birds. I mean, I don't know if you could see that, but there are literally hundreds of birds, and they're all making loud noises. At the same time, we got sirens going off. It's like the birds are freaking out. Look, birds up there. Birds everywhere. I heard this from my kitchen. I was like, what is that noise? It's birds. I don't know if you can hear the birds or whatever. And look at that. What is that? Because the sun is over here setting. See? But yet there's something
Oh my God!
right behind that cloud.
You can see that behind you. They all left, but
This is amazing.
over there. You just left behind me where I'm at.
This is amazing. I really think it's cool. And there's some kind of reflection. Oh. Wow, there they go. Whole bunch of them flew away at once. There's more up here. There are literally hundreds of birds. And they are like having a cow, apparently. They are upset. Maybe it's the snow. Maybe they're cold and they came in from the south and was like, oh my gosh, all of a sudden there's snow. But this is insane. There's again this. Okay, I guess he's going to shoot a little pellet, a BB gun in there, see if we could get some of these to come off of the tree, because it's insane.